Now that you understand the relationship between branding and marketing, it's time to get deeper into how brands use digital marketing strategies to reach business goals. When you're just starting out in digital marketing or e-commerce, you probably won't be responsible for creating a digital marketing strategy. Unless you're working at a small company, setting a strategy is usually a broad, collaborative effort. But you'll definitely help execute the strategy, even if it's set by others. That's why it's important for you to understand what a digital marketing strategy is and what goes into building one. Simply put, a digital marketing strategy is a plan for achieving specific goals through online channels to support and advance business objectives. So now, let's discuss what actually goes into creating a digital marketing strategy. Before you can start planning things like ad campaigns or social media outreach, you need to research your audience and set meaningful goals. These steps will tell you who you're trying to reach and what you want to accomplish. You'll learn more about how to do these things later in the program. All you need to know right now is that they're essential to the success of any digital marketing strategy. Once you've completed your research and set your goals, it's time to work out a strategy. That means you're using what you've learned to guide customers through each stage of the digital marketing funnel with the most effective tactics and media mix. Media mix refers to the combination of digital channels used to reach your goals and how you divide your budget among them. These are all the activities that go into your marketing funnel. To select your media mix, you'll first review your existing media content to find out if there are any gaps. After that, you can decide which channels to focus on, what content and campaigns to run on those channels, and how to allocate your budget. Let's try an example. Imagine you're part of a team that's working with a high-end jewelry retailer who wants to drive a 30% increase in revenue within 3 years. You know that jewelry customers can take a long time to go from awareness to purchase. So you pick marketing goals that support movement through the funnel, bringing in new customers and nurturing existing leads more effectively. These are upper and middle funnel concerns that should boost sales over time. That means you'll need to concentrate on raising awareness and encouraging consideration to achieve them. Here's a simplified version of a digital marketing strategy for these goals. To increase awareness and draw in new customers, your team puts 40% of its budget toward upper funnel efforts. From your research, you know that video ads are the most effective way for raising awareness among your target audience. Another 40% of your budget goes to driving leads in the middle of the funnel. Use this money to engage customers across different channels, like social media and a paid ad campaign to reach customers who are actively researching jewelry purchases. The last 20% is for serving product-focused ads to website visitors and email marketing. The goal of the email campaign is to turn those leads you nurtured in the upper funnel into paying customers. Each part of your funnel is important, but most of your budget goes to the top and middle sections to help you reach new customers and nurture leads. Once you have a strategy in place, you can start creating the content you'll need to run your campaigns. That includes everything from email templates to video animations, ad copy, and banner images. You'll learn more about creating all that content later in the program. Lastly, you'll need a plan to measure and analyze the results of your efforts so you know how you can improve in the future. That one's really important, and we'll explore some ways to do that later in this course. And there you have it. There's a lot that goes into creating a digital marketing strategy, but remember, this is a team effort. You may only be responsible for things like aligning budgets to marketing activities or analyzing the results of a campaign. Let's recap. To plan an effective digital marketing strategy, you first need to research your audience and set goals that support the business overall. Next, you review your existing media for gaps, select marketing channels, and plan the content you'll use to reach your goals. Finally, you'll create a plan to measure and analyze results. And if all this seems like a lot, don't worry. We'll break everything down for you over the course of this program. Coming up, we'll learn more about setting effective goals for your marketing strategy.